Hello everyone. Today we're going to do something fun. We're going to make bubble art. So I have a paper towel here in case things get a little bit messy. Go ahead and pick out a color of paint, and you could each, if you're in the center, do a different color of paint and then share if you want. So I have some paint at the bottom of my bowl. I am going to add dish soap, and then I'm going to add some water. So you can see I have a bowl of blue water here, and then that paint and the dish soap tend to stick to the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and mix this up just a bit to try to loosen up and mix in the paint. And then what we're going to do is get a straw, and you are going to blow bubbles, not suck in paint. That would be bad. So we don't want to do that. So we're going to blow into the straw. And you can see we're starting to form bubbles, but on top, they're pretty white. So I'm going to just kind of continue to mix a little bit to try to get some of that paint mixture right into the bubbles. And you can see I did that with my red, which actually looks a little pink. At first the bubbles were all white on top, but then the coloring kind of went through. And you might want to gently blow, that way you don't splatter paint in your face either. It doesn't take a whole lot of force. So again, I'm just gonna mix it up a bit to try to get some of that coloring on the top, which it looks like you can see from my spoon that I have some blue bubbles here. I'll blow it up one more time and then I'll show you what to do with your paper. And then, so there's my blue. And then I have my red here. And if the bubbles deflate, all you have to do is blow up. But remember which side is the dirty part of the straw. So these are bendy straws. You might want to just keep the smaller bendy part at the top. That way you know. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to lay this in the bubbles, and this is what it forms. So I had already done the red. So let me do the blue, see if that works. So you can see there's bubbles on there, and then when they pop, they'll look like that, and we'll get the little circles. So be creative. You can add as many colors as you want. You can dip it as many times as you want, and then you'll just need to set it aside so it can dry, and then you will have a bubble art creation. Have fun, everyone.